say again? I don't know.
Okay, another question. How would your friends describe you?
My friends would describe me as very rude.
You're
not a Margot Day.
What?
You don't know what Margot Day is?
Nah,
it means
English only, man.
It means made in God's image. If you did RE in school, then you know. Late.
Oh, should I call my mum?
My punctuality is very poor. What else? Very unbothered.
It's not one big one. It's like one of those.
Making progress. Yay! When I was asked to go sailing, I was thinking, am I gonna survive? Or am I gonna die? Because I don't like water. What was this one time? My mom told me to go swimming. No, we're going out. I was like, okay, I'm happy. I was getting dressed, everything. Also, I heard we're going swimming. I said, no. I started throwing a tantrum at 15 years of my age. I was crying. I will cry. I'm not joking. I'll cry.
To go on speedboats. No, I don't want to go on there. I just don't want to be near the water. I'm hot. Can't move. This thing is taking the absolute mick. There's no freedom. I can't. Why did I sign up for this?
Aldeburgh. Aldeburgh, yeah?
I messed up.
Hey, why is she sleeping like she's dead?
Who? I don't.
Look at her. It's like she's dead.
There's another one.
Excuse me. When I was told about the speedboats, I thought I was going to go on a jet ski. I was thinking, no, I don't want to do it. Until I looked at the speedboat, I was like, oh, that's fine.
Can we speed up the process? Where's the speedboats at?
It was scary, a little bit, because he kept tilted to one side like this, and I thought I was going to drop. And there was a camera in my face.
How are we feeling?
I felt wet. How about that? Wet?
I had a blast. All I have to say, I'm thankful that the bonnet didn't come off. Like, it's still, yeah, as you can see.
I end up being wet now.
But yeah, everyone was praying on my downfall. Amari, get the clips when Amy's bonnet falls off. That's what, it's still here. Let me show you. Guys! But guys, actually that was so fun. I want to go again. I want to go again. This water is dirty though. Give me your hand. No! See? My boy. Come on, Bamanos. Everybody, let's go. Come. There's too many stars. Hey, Aisha. Anyway, leave it on.
I sing the melody when you sing. I sing oh when you sing stop. All I wanna do is go, go, go. You never have a me. Have to never be me. Have to drive again. You never have a me. Have to always be. We both know we're better in stereo.
Where's the bus? Time to dig. Wait. So I want to dig in.
Hi guys, it's bright and early, sun is shining, I'm tired, yeah.
We woke up so early and now we're going to go sailing and I'm scared. I'm scared because if we fall in, my hair's ruined. Fresh hair and that, so like it's quite worrying.
See, take your hand, do like this, can manage.
Calm your chest down. Do like this. Do like this, you have to calm your chest down.
The band is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many Power Rangers are there?
5.
Ah, someone has to cut still.
Please, I'm not involved. I'm the pink one, that's all I know.
I'm the red one. I'm red. I'm the leader. I'm the captain.
I'm the pink
I'm
one.
the pink one, but okay.
Anyways,
I'm the pink
who's
one.
the red one's the captain, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me still. Bunny man.
I'm the pink.
There's,
I'm the pink.
I don't know.
You can be yellow.
Do you know Jonathan called us the Struggle Avengers the other day?
Anyway, hey y'all, we are Aldeburgh Yacht Club. Yeah, we finna do some sailing. We want to do some sailing. Yeah.
So here is our view of the boat. What is it today? This is called Quest. Okay, should we do a little fun little warm up game first? Let's see how much we know. What's that big thing right here?
The sail.
Oh, look at that.
I was about to say kite.
Kite. Yeah, I mean, could be seen as that. Very nice. At the back, does anybody know what that does?
The wind.
Yeah, it steers the boat.
That's it.
Okay, then we've got this thing here. You can't really work out what it is at the moment. But if you look at other, you can't really work out. But that's a second sail, basically. Hold it like a microphone. There we go. Let's do some singing. We need a tie. Go!
I'm going.
Oh, okay, look at that. That's nice and tight. I'll give it
Come on.
5 seconds. Back.
All the way back, baby. Yay! Yay! My boy Arthur, come on.
Who's Arthur?
Arthur was our captain, the guy that knew all the things about sailing. You know, he was 16. I was thinking, pardon, I beg absolute pardon. It made me feel scared a bit because I was thinking maybe this boy doesn't know what he's doing. Like, as in, I didn't even have to do anything. This guy, as soon as we were about to capsize, he said, no, it's not happening. He fixed everything. I was like, my boss.
It's like a... Cold.
Because it was wet and cold.
Alright.
No, the sailing was actually fun.
Yeah.
So guys, we'll do horse riding now. We're at the farm. There's just poo everywhere. Like, it was like this on the floor was Jesus. So let me calm down. They're looking at baby goats, electric fence there. I won't touch it, I promise. That was a sheep.
Donkey.
Can you hear it?
So we've got all sorts of things.
Sounds all like that.
Some of them I just make sure it looks tasty.
My little babies and that. Come.
What's he doing?
The farm was very smelly, obviously. We saw a lot of animals.
Well, we saw a baby goat. Then we saw all the mothers. All Perry's baby mamas. Perry is the daddy goat. Only one, by the way. And there was like 300 goats on that one farm. I was thinking, this guy's a bop.
Run around.
100 kids.
That's his kids.
Wow.
This is all his kids. Oh, it's okay, Elijah. Yeah, do.
So yeah, that's the only pen not to go in. All right.
Daddy goat.
He's lovely. You can stroke him over the fence. He's lovely. He does smell bad.
He really, I can
He
smell
really
from
does
here.
smell bad. But just don't go
He's
in
gonna
with
be
him, 'cause
showering
he will
well.
go
Wow, how's he
big.
bagging all the things to be getting pregnant and that, bro?
What?
Just go in with the
Smelly,
other two.
smelly.
You want?
Wait, cause nah, there's pee everywhere. Nah, man. Not doing that.
This what?
That is not hair.
What's this?
This is not hair.
This is what pig feels like.
This is plastic.
Stop for alarm.
Nah, you know, stop for alarm, man.
What's up for number?
Let's become in favor.
But it's gonna have to be.
Perfect fit and that, fam.
Horse riding, that was very uncomfortable. I don't know how people are doing it. That horse was excited. What's her name? Sweetie.
What's Sweetie like?
What's her name? Sweetie. Wait, sweetness. No, no. Smarty. There we go. Swing!
Yay!
Easy, man. Easy.
Very good.
Wave, Amy, wave.
Very good.
Wave. I'm not letting go. I'm not letting go.
You're not letting go. You're secure.
I'm not letting
You're
go.
secure.
I'm secure, but I'm
You can
extra
say hello. There you go.
Adele Shamari.
Shmari.
Shamari. It's a lot name.
And the horse was uncomfortable. Like the horse is going, you're up and down like this bus. No. My belly was doing acrobatics.
Yeah.
Keep going, you'll make her run. Then we're gonna go down this side.
Faster, man.
Well done, Teddy.
Oh, you're right really nicely.
Hey, way to go.
That week away, it strengthened our bonds. Like, I didn't know some people, and I just got to know them a lot. I was just like, oh, you do this, oh, me too, blah blah. Just connections, basically. Adele, Lily, my sister. If Lily didn't go, I think I actually would have cried. Because I was even annoyed when she was even coming. Because I just wanted to be by myself. Like, you weren't already, go away. You know what I mean? Just Amy Albert said so. And I was like, imagine if Lily was here, I would have cried. Trying these new experiences made me realize that I need to be outside more, because well, it made me realize I'm like too much of an inside person. I wasn't comfortable.
It's gonna be on that thing.
That made me realize I need to be outside more and try and connect with nature.
What size is it? XL.
Dog gang. See plug everywhere.
That's what I can do.
Man's just pure stackings.
Hey, yeah, cool.
See the presentations.
I'm actually trying to make man look nice. You're here just doing that. What the heck?
I would love one. Thank you very much. That's lovely, thank you.
Most kind.
Did you enjoy the horse riding yesterday?
Yes, I did actually.
Yeah. You were surprised you did or not?
Yes, I was actually surprised.
Day off.
Hey! So basically, we nearly capsized like 7 times.
I know. Oh, good, thank you very much. Is it not good? Do you not like it? Is that better?
No, not the person. Just the ways of the boats.
Oh, the ways of the boat.
Geraldine be eatings. Yeah, yeah.
Really enjoyed it, and it's been a privilege to meet you all and to have you here for this week.
Thank you. Can I go sit down now? Yes. Thank you. Has been awarded for the funniest camper. Oh wait, hold on. English. I didn't write this actually. I didn't care. I'm awarded for keeping up everyone's spirits. It said Amy is the funniest. Too cool with it, man. Like when I was going, I thought it would be the end of the world. I thought it was just long days for me, not coming back, gonna suffocate in the water, and just not have a good time. But when I actually got there, and I can't lie, the week went very quickly though, went really quick. When I actually got there and experienced everything, it did change what I thought about it. Like, it wasn't too bad. The people that want to try something new, just do it. You don't have no second thoughts about, but just don't procrastinate. Just do it, honestly. Say you like boats, but you've never been on a boat, and now you're going on a boat and you don't like boats anymore. Just imagine that. Or other way around, you don't like boats, you've been on a boat, now you love it. You never know. Things could just, like this, just switch like this. Thank you guys in Aldeburgh for letting me experience the sailing. And I know I'm saying Aldeburgh wrong, but I've now named it Aldeburgh. Amy Albert has aimed it Aldeburgh. Remember me for saying it wrong. See, you have to be different, not me. You know when you're different, people remember you. For making me overcome the fear of water and helping me try new things without being scared. And making me delicious barbecues. No, those barbecues were banging. I was thinking, you guys did your thing there. I had to even take away like this. I did, you know, I'll wrap that burger real quick.